Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of glowing, radiant skin, or maybe you've been hunting for a highlighter that can be seamlessly blended into your makeup routine, today's review might just have the perfect solution. I'm talking about the TEMPTU SB Airbrush Highlighter in Pink Pearl. This liquid makeup promises buildable coverage and is designed to add a luminous finish to your complexion. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. The TEMPTU SB Airbrush Highlighter comes in a liquid form, making it easy to blend into your skin, whether you apply it with your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. Its primary aim? To give you a glowing, dewy finish with a hint of iridescent pink pearl that works particularly well for light skin tones. The brand has positioned this product as a must-have for those seeking a more refined, airbrushed look without the hassle of complicated application techniques. In terms of ingredients, the formula is designed to be lightweight, so it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the skin. It's also buildable, meaning you can layer it to achieve your desired intensity. It's ideal for creating a subtle glow or an intense highlight, depending on your preference. The Pink Pearl shade is a soft, cool-toned pink that gives the skin a fresh, luminous look. I've been using it in my daily routine, and the first thing I noticed is how smoothly it applies, gliding effortlessly on my skin without feeling greasy or cakey. In real-world testing, I used it on a few different occasions, once for a daytime look, and then again for an evening event. During the day, it provided a subtle glow, and I didn't need to touch it up. For the evening, I layered it a bit more, and it gave me that perfect Instagram glow that wasn't too over the top. Whether I was outdoors or under bright indoor lighting, the highlighter maintained its luminous effect without fading away. However, one thing I did notice is that it can be a little tricky to blend if you're in a rush, as it dries quickly. So you'll need to work fast to ensure an even application. As for the texture, it's incredibly smooth. The formula feels more like a serum than a cream or powder, so it doesn't cake or sit in fine lines. On the downside, if you tend to have oily skin, you might find that it needs a light setting powder to prevent any unwanted shine throughout the day. Let's talk about value for money. TEMPTU products tend to be on the pricier side, and the SB Airbrush Highlighter is no exception. But when you factor in the buildable nature, the lightweight feel, and the stunning finish it provides, I'd say it's worth the splurge if you're into high-end airbrush quality makeup. It's perfect for anyone looking for a more sophisticated highlighter that adds just the right amount of glow without being overpowering. For those on a budget, there are definitely drugstore options that could offer a similar effect, though you might not get the same lightweight, seamless texture. Products from brands like L'Oreal or Maybelline have highlighters that offer buildable coverage and can create a dewy finish at a fraction of the cost. The packaging is sleek and the applicator is designed for precision, so you don't have to worry about wasting any product. In terms of longevity, I was impressed with how long the highlighter stayed put. It held up beautifully through a day of meetings, and I didn't have to reapply at all, which is a huge plus. Now, I didn't have direct contact with TEMPTU's customer support, but their reputation in the beauty industry speaks volumes. Known for their professional-grade products, the brand is highly regarded by makeup artists, which often speaks to their customer service standards as well. To wrap things up, I'd say this highlighter is a solid option for those who want an airbrush finish with a natural yet radiant glow. It excels in terms of ease of application, blendability, and long-lasting results. If you're into makeup that feels luxurious and performs well across a variety of conditions, this highlighter is a great pick. If this review has helped you decide whether this product is right for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps other beauty enthusiasts find honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for joining me here at Beautyistic, and as always, if you've tried the TEMPTU SB Airbrush Highlighter, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay beautiful inside and out.